everybody, today we're going to solve a system of linear equation. Now we have 1/2 x minus 3/4 y equal to -4 and 2/3 x minus 1/3 y equal to -4. If you notice, we have fractions. The best way to solve the system of linear equation is to get rid of the fractions first. So I would suggest multiply each equation by the LCD. So let's take a look at the first equation. We have 2 and 4 in the denominator. The LCM, the least common multiple of 2 and 4, is 4. So the LCD for the first equation is 4. So I would multiply each term by 4. We do this to get rid of the fractions, to get rid of the denominator. So let's do this. If you distribute here, 4 times 1/2, that's 4 divided by 2, which gives me 2. 2 times x is 2x. Now if we distribute here, 4 times -4, the 4 cancels with the 4, and you'll be left with -3y. 4 times -4, don't forget to multiply also by a -4. 4 times -4 is -16. So now we're left with this equation without any fraction. We're going to be doing the same thing in the second equation. You have the denominator is 3 on both in both fractions here, so that's easy. The LCD is 3. It's the same as the denominator. So we multiply the whole equation by 3. If we distribute, the 3 cancel with the 3, and you'll be left with 2 times x, which is 2x. And we do the same thing for the second fraction, 3 times -1/3 y. Again, the 3 cancels with the 3, you're left with -1 times y, or -y. And 3 times -4, that would give me -12. So now we have a system of linear equation without any fraction. You can solve it any way you want. You can, if you want to, choose to solve it using substitution method, or you can use it to solve it using elimination method. I personally would choose to use the elimination method. Why? Because if you take a look here, you have the same term. If you multiply one of them by -1, it would be -2x, and the other one would be 2x, and would cancel easily. So either one would work. I would choose to multiply the first equation by -1. So let's do that. Why am I choosing the first equation by -1, by the way? Because that would become positive 3y minus y. It becomes a positive y. So let's do this. I'm going to multiply the first equation by -1. I'm going to write it down here. -1 times 2x, that's -2x. -1 times -3y, that's plus 3y, equal -1 times -16, that's positive 16. Basically, you're just flipping all the sign. I'm not changing anything with the second equation. I'm going to leave it the way it is, because if you notice, the x is going to cancel now. When you add them up, this is going to cancel, and you're left with 3y minus y, which is 2y. 16 minus 12, that would be 4. And then divide by 2 to solve for y. And you are left with y equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So we solve for the y coordinate. Now we need to solve for the x coordinate. You can choose any equation. You can choose this, this, or this, or this. I personally would not choose the one with the fraction. It would make it a little bit harder. I would choose either one of these two. The second one looks slightly easier to me because of the smaller fraction. So you have 2x minus y, for the smaller coefficient, sorry. 2x minus y equal to -12. Now we're replacing y with 2. You get 2x minus 2 equal to -12. And now solving for x, we add 2 on both sides of the equation, and we get 2x, this cancels, equal to negative 12 plus 2, that's negative 10. You divide by 2 on both sides. You are dividing by the coefficient of x, and you're left with x equal to negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. The solution to the system is the point x, which is negative 5, y, which is 2. That is the point of intersection of the system of this linear equation. If we draw these two lines, this would have been this would be the point of intersection. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Watch out for the next video where I'm also solving additional systems of linear equation. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.